Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna show you the easiest possible cloud platform, like cloud function platform that's gonna make your life way more easier. And this is ABC type easy. Like how will I explain you? I am still amazed with how it works. Like I'm in shock right now, like how easy it is. Like I was like, really, just this. So let me show you the platform, because you're gonna be starstruck too. Like it's something like that. Okay, so let me show you. So here is our today's website, tiny function. And in this tiny function, as you can see that they have already written just a little function, that is add a comma b. A b is parameter, then written a plus b. So let me deploy these two. Okay, so I will just click on deploy. That's it. Like I am feeling like Cavi, right? That's it. Now you can use this URL anywhere. They have generated this URL https function. This is the function call, and a sample get URL for your function parameters. This URL can be called for both get and post methods. How freaking easy it is! Like that's it. The first thing that will come to your mind is that's it, nothing else. That's the thing, right? It's really easy, and you can create, obviously, write the whole code in your code editor, preferred choice of code editor, and you can paste it here. Here you can see, write your node.js function in the above editor. Python is also coming soon. And deploy with a one click deploy for a REST API URL. You can call your freshly deployed cloud function from anywhere from the link. So that much easy it is. So really a great shout out to them, because they have created something really great in a tiny little package. That's why their name is tiny function. Really great. So that's it for this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the really great cool apps like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future